In this video, we are going to show you how to apply the amazing wood stain from the Farmhouse Paint Pro Series with just a couple simple supplies. Today, we will be staining with the color Dark Walnut and wiping back with Farmhouse finishing cloths. First, you want to start with a bare wood surface. For a smooth finish, you can sand the piece with the Farmhouse Fine Grit Sanding Sponge. We will also be using the wedge paintbrush to apply our stain today. Another option is to wipe on the stain using the Farmhouse finishing cloths. After opening, stir your stain well before applying. Do not thin this product. Once you have thoroughly stirred, you're ready to apply. First, I'm going to start by working around the detailed edge. You want enough stain on your brush to saturate the wood, but not too much stain to prevent it from dripping off the side. Now it's time to apply to the top surface. Brush the stain on in the direction of the wood grain. Farmhouse Amazing Wood Stain dries very quickly. Applying a liberal amount to larger surfaces will give the product a little extra working time. I like to work the product back and forth to ensure that the stain gets into the wood grain. Next, we want to wipe off the excess before it dries, so grab your lint-free Farmhouse finishing cloths. Allow your stain to penetrate 2 to 5 minutes before this step. I'll begin wiping back where I first applied the stain. When your cloth becomes saturated, refold to expose an unused section and continue wiping. If your surface is large enough to use up your entire finishing cloth, grab a new, clean and dry one to continue removing the excess stain. The more you wipe back, the more you will be able to see the wood grain show through. And just like that, after a couple simple steps, you have a newly stained surface. Farmhouse Clear Coat may be applied for an added satin sheen after the stain has dried for at least 48 hours. The amazing wood stain is water-based, non-toxic, and odorless.